Hello everybody, here's a little video on how to use Terrarium, which basically seems like the replacement for KODI right now. So much has been going on in the KODI universe, and apps have been changing all the time, so the Terrarium seems to be more reliable right now than KODI. So basically how you use it, if you open up Terrarium, it's a pretty simple interface. It'll come up by default to the current trending TV shows. So these are the shows that people are actually watching right now. If you look up the top there where it says trending, you can highlight the little arrow and you can choose other categories. So like new shows, for example, ones that are just premiering right now. Or you can go in and choose most popular shows or Netflix shows, or down even further it has regular categories of shows. So if you're looking for a comedy TV show, they'll come up like that. There's also a search box up here in the top corner, so you can choose search, and you can search for either TV shows or movies. And if we go back to the main menu, there's a favorites button. You can see favorite shows in there. On the top left, the three little lines, if you select that, you can choose movies, and it'll move you over to movie mode instead. So the same kind of things. And you have other new categories. It's like new HD releases or action movies, adventure movies. So if you wanted to play a movie, take Coco for example, select the movie. It'll give you a little excerpt from the movie. You can play a trailer there as well. Another little handy little button they have here is a See Also, which shows you other TV shows that are like this show or other movies that are like this movie. So you can actually find other shows you never even heard of before and find them. But we want to play it. You go at the top corner up here where the play button is. If you hit the play, it'll go out and look for servers on the internet, same as what KODI did to find sources that have this show. So here in a few seconds, it'll come up with a list of places to watch shows from. So there we are, getting sources already. And usually it'll come up with quite a few if you let it sit for a couple of minutes. Or not even, well, not a couple of minutes, but even like 20 or 30 seconds. You'll get a few more sources to work with. So there we go. So you pick one. Rapid video usually works pretty good. That's 720p. Let's take that one. And give it a few seconds to buffer the first few seconds of the video, and then it'll play. So we quit back out here. The other thing the issue I've had sometimes with Terrarium is it will have a tendency to change the video player on you, or you may accidentally change it yourself. If you get a weird error message about a video player not installed, all you have to do to fix it is on the main screen here. If you go up to the three little dots in the top right, and then go to Settings, and this option, the Choose Default Video Player, that should be set to EXO, where it says discontinued. That's the one you actually want. You can also use MX Player in some of the boxes. We do pre-install MX Player in some models, but EXO works great and it's built in, and just use that. And that's Terrarium. That's how it works.